Hi guys, welcome to another edition of our video on FOP creators. And in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you the second method of solving the PhotoG application mystery, or let me say problem. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you click on the like button, share it to others, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell icon for more updates. So let's jump into the video. So I got another complaint from another user. So he sent me a screenshot of the problem he encountered using the application. So he said he got this just like the first person said. So he said, how do I solve this problem? So then what I did this time was that I copied this text over here. So in this box, so it's an Arabic text, so I copied the text, and then I went to Google. So then I translated the text and I got this from Google. So it says notes, please turn off your filter breaker only if you can use the next server. So what Google is telling us that the meaning of this Arabic word is this in English. So as for those who really don't understand English or the Arabic language, so all I'm going to do is that I'm going to make this Arabic text available. So you are going to go and translate it whether to your language in Hindi or any other language, so that you understand, then you translate it so in Google. So I believe you be able to understand. But the only thing I can denote from this is that you should have a strong internet connection while trying to convert your design to 3D mockup on PhotoG application. So this is all I could denote. So, and if you need a video on how you can use the PhotoG application, I already have that video on YouTube. Check our channel, so on FOP creators. So this is the second part of the video of solving the PhotoG application problem. So, and guys, at the end of this video, I have some bonus for you guys. Make sure you check the link in the description to download and get your own bonus. So if you like this content, make sure you click on the like button, share it to others, and turn on the notification for more updates. Thanks guys for watching.